huko ground imepandilika. Msifikirie ni vile mlikuja mkadanganya watu. Sasa watu wamechoka and they are not ready to sell Mwea rice mill. Hata Kenya pipeline mkiuza mnataka control petroli na petrol iko juu, tunataka irudi nyuma. Na wafanyi kazi bila koti imesema it is unconstitutional kukata pesa ya nyumba. Msilipe pesa. Na mimi nimesema kama chairman wa Jubilee, msilipe pesa.
Thank you, Chairman. Members of the press, my name is Angel Mbuthia. I'm the chairperson of the Youth League of this great party, Jubilee Party. And I want to remind young people that tuliambiwa tutawekewa pesa mfukoni, tuliambiwa mpango ni bottom up, but tulishortchangewa, we were shortchanged. And farasi wawili wakipigana nyasi wanaumia, na sisi ndio tunaumia zaidi. But what we are saying as a party is that we are going to work with young people moving forward. We are going to embrace the spirit of young people as we've had. We are going to ensure that we have membership drives for young people across the country. And ambitious young leaders of this country, please show up and step up, because we are going to be running with the Jubilee Party, because that will be the party to be. Thank you so much.
Aya, asante. Ndugu zetu, yangu si mengi sana, sijui kama niseme na Kiswahili, Kikuyu nini, unajua yote mimi najua. Kwanza mimi naweza kusema tu Wakenya kwa jumla, haya mambo ambayo mnaona kodi, lipeni kodi. Kodi inaundwa hii, kodi inaundwa ile, kodi inaundwa ile. Wakenya tumeanza kuona ya kwamba hii si kodi ya kutusaidia. Hii ni kodi ya siasa. Na mimi nataka kusema mbele ya viongozi hawa ambao wako hapa, pesa ambazo zinaundwa, na ninyi watu wa magazeti muone na muangalie, mimi najua mnajua kuangalia, ni pesa za kampeni ya 2027. Kwa sababu Wakenya wamejulikana ni watu wa kununuliwa na pesa ndio waweke kura pale inatakiwa. Ukora huo tumeugundua na hatutaendelea. Na ningwenda kwira andũ aitũ, tondũ andũ aitũ nĩo matuĩkaga, nĩo marehire thirikari ĩno ati muconoke na tuconoke, na ndiho njonoke. Ati turatuga ni ithuĩ twarehire thirikari ĩno, na thirikari ĩno nĩguo ĩmũhatĩrĩirie magoti ĩkongerera ciana ona itirathoma, atumia o muthenya nĩ mathĩna ma karamu maibuku, maũndũ nĩ maingĩ mũno mathũkanĩtio nĩ mũndũ ũyũ. Na niĩ kĩrĩa ingĩenda kwĩra andũ aitũ nĩ atĩ ũkora ũrĩa mwĩnaguo, ũkora ũrĩa mũrekwo mũhano andũ arĩa a Isiraeli arĩa Ngai wa matwarire Misiri nĩo metwarire. Mũthenya ũrĩa mendirie Jusufu Misiri, meciragia harĩa thũ ĩikagio nĩho ĩgũaga, noguo metwarire Misiri wene, tondũ ya kwagĩire ng'aragu nĩguo mathire Misiri. Ona inyuĩ rũrĩrĩ rwitũ rwa Mount Kenya ndĩrenda kũmwĩra ũguo, particularly rũrĩrĩ ndĩraria ũguo ndĩraria atĩ nĩ inyuĩ mũretwarire Misiri ĩyo mũrĩ ũmũthĩ. Menyai nĩ inyuĩ mũretwarire, mwĩrutei Misiri ĩyo ũmũthĩ na gũtonya ciama cianyu, tondũ hatirenda handũ mũngĩhotanĩra. No mũthire kĩama kĩrĩa gĩkũmũteithia, kĩama kĩrĩa gĩkũmũruta ũkombo-inĩ ũcio, tondũ ũcio nĩ ũkombo mũretwarire. Ndigwenda kuongerera maũndũ maingĩ mũno, no ndĩrenda kuga atĩ akorwo kũrĩ andũ marathũkirie bũrũri ũyũ, nĩ andũ acio maratire makĩrũa Mount Kenya, andũ a Mount Kenya, nĩ tũronio nĩ ithuĩ tũrathũkirie na tũtigathũkia rĩngĩ. Unda mwĩharĩrie nĩ mũkũinũka mwende kana mũikare.
Okay. So thank you so much. Today I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to our party leader for the direction he has given the party. We need to revamp the party. Tunakuja mtaani mashinani to make sure tunasha moto ya Jubilee. This is the party of the future. This is the party yenye na carry our hope. We are thankful the president has heeded to our call. Hii nchi imepelekwa vibaya sana, na our party leader amesema atakuja aturudishie hope ili tuweze kupanga hii Kenya. We correct all the mistakes that are happening. You cannot imagine a regime that is saying wanataka kuuza KICC. Mahali sisi tumezaliwa tukipoenda kupiga picha hapo KICC. KICC kwa picha ya pesa ya Kenya. Are we going to reprint the money if you are going to privatize KICC? Some of these decisions hatuwezi kubali. The high cost of living inatusumbua. And what they can think of ni kuuza Kenya Pipeline Corporation, ambayo ikiwa na mtu private, sasa ndio bei ya mafuta ita skyrocket. Si ni kweli? So we cannot allow them to be selling these parastatus. A regime can only last for 10 years. But this is our national heritage and it will last years and years to come for our future generation. So mimi nashukuru sana Jubilee and we are coming mtaani. Na mavijana pia mkuje Jubilee, tusukume hii chama pamoja. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Wewe uko juu. Asante sana. Mimi naitwa Wanja. Nitasema vitu mbili tu. Ukitaka kujua government vile iko, uchunguze vile ina treat watu wa chini, wazee, watoto, wamama, watu disabled. Hii government imefrustrate hadi watoto. Nilisikia katoto kamoja kakisema government imetax marks zake za KCPE, mtoto akipewa marks sijui 400, government inampea 300. Surely Kenya kwanza mmefrustrate sisi watu wazima, sasa mmeendea watoto. Issue 2. The day after tomorrow, 3rd of December, ni International Day for People with Disabilities. Mheshimiwa Nderitu ameongea kuhusu a grand disaster. Hii grand disaster imeaffect sana marginalized people, wale watu hawana source of income, and therefore tunaambia Kenya kwanza. Please, you are as strong as your weakest link. Tuko disappointed na nyinyi, and indeed you are a grand disaster. Asante.